Let's bring in National Trial Attorney Mike Jaafar. Michael, thanks for sitting around and listening to this testimony. It's hearing the young man describe the details of that night. What's your takeaway?
I think a 16-year-old kid, he's talking about seniors, how much older they are than him. The thought, so I'm, 46, so somebody who's 48, that's the difference between them, but they're kids at that point. This stuff is very relevant to them. I see what the defense attorney's trying to do. The whole point of this case is going to be whether or not the defendant got the knife and had nefarious intent when he got it or not. And so he's walking us through, I think, a very pivotal point in this case, which is how did the whole altercation happen after the first altercation? I think this testimony is going to be very, very relevant. I think it's going to be very important. The state's got to prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt that he intended to murder somebody with a knife, right? We've got video evidence. We've got eyewitness testimony. This testimony is very important. This young man is very important because it shows you how the whole entire situation was brought to a crescendo. And that's really what matters. That's really where the whole entire murder charge lies, is how did this whole thing come to be? How did we get to this crescendo? How did it go from an altercation over a 12-pack of beer to an actual murder? So this is very important testimony. How I think he's doing a good job for a kid.